zeros. What teachers will teach you for 15 minutes, we will do most comprehensively. Another question. Find the maximum number of zeros at the end. That's a very, very important wording. Find the maximum number of zeros at the end. Same like this we will solve. 1 power 100. Next it is 2 power 99. Next it will be 3 power 98. 4 power 97, 5 power 96, and so on up to 100 power 1. 100 power 1. Base and power sum is 101. Base and power sum is 101. Every second term, it is a multiple of 2. Every fifth term, it is a multiple of 5. So there are 20 terms which are a multiples of 5. So power of 5. Power of 5 is less than power of 2. Power of 5, it is less than power of 2. So only attack the power of 5. 5 power 96. Next it is 10. This sum is 101. 1 plus 100, 101. 2 plus 99, 101. 98 plus 3, 101. So 10, this will be 10 plus 91. Next it will be 15. Here there is 5 increase. Here there is 5 decrease. Here there is 5 increase. Here there is 5 decrease. Here there is 5 increase. 5 increase. So here there is 5 decrease. I hope it is clear. And so on up to 100 power 1. 100 power 1. Now if you observe carefully, what we will do is, first we will do powers of 5. Then we will do powers of 25. Then we will add it. In that way, the logic will be very, very easy. Every term contains 5. So 96 will come, 91 will come, 86 will come, and so on up to 1 will come. Are you all with me? In addition to this, 25 power 76 will come. Next one, 25 multiple, 75 power 26 will come, 100 power 1 will come. 100 power 1 will come. 25 is 5 square. 1 5 we have taken. So another 76 will come here. Another 5 square. Another 26 will come here. 25 into 4. Another 1 will come here. I hope it is clear. Power of 5, power of 25 and 1. Power of 5, power of 25 and 1. 5 power 96. Why we are adding? 5 power 96. 10 is 5 into 2 power 91. So 5 power 96 into 5 power 91. 96 plus 91 plus 86. Every number is a multiple of 5. So it will come. But there are certain terms where it will double will come. 25 it is. 25 I can take it as 5 square power 76. So 5 power 76 into 5. This we wrote. So this I am writing. 75 is 5 square into 3. This we wrote. Another 26 we are writing. Are you all with me? 5 square into 4. 1 5 we wrote. So another 5 we are writing. Just to do the AP series sum. So this will be 76 plus 27. This will be 103. This will be 103. So 96, 91. Use AP series, add the values, you will get the answer. Just calculation intensive, but very, very good question, which gives you an understanding that only concentrate on powers of 5. Only concentrate on powers of 5. Another question, sir. This is an exam model question. See here. Find the number of zeros at the end. 10 power 1. It will have 1 0 at the end. 10 power 1 plus 10 square. 100 plus 10. 110. It will have 1 0 at the end. 10 power 1 plus 10 square plus 10 cube. 1000 plus 100 plus 10. 110. Again it is 1110. Only 1 0 at the end. Only 1 0 at the end. To 10 power n, you are adding 10 square. So this number is greater than this number. Obviously, once 10 power any number will have 1 0 at the end. This number is greater than these two numbers. So 1 0. This number is greater than these numbers. 1 0. Last number is greater than every other number. So 1 0 will be there at the end. Very, very easy question. Different varieties of questions, sir. Next one. This model also we already solved. 1 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 power 1 factorial, 2 power 2 factorial, 3 power 3 factorial, 4 power 4 factorial, and so on up to 10 power 10 factorial, 1 power 1 factorial, 2 power 2 factorial, and so on up to 10 power 10 factorial. Listen carefully, sir. Every second term I am getting a multiple of 2. But every fifth term it is a multiple of 5. So power of 5. Power of 5 is less than power of 2. Power of 5 will be less than power of 2. If power of 5 is less than power of 2, this will be 5 power 5 factorial into 10 power 10 factorial. So this will be 5 power 5 factorial. 10 it is 5 into 2 power 10 factorial. So answer will be 5 factorial plus 10 factorial. Already we did these kind of questions where we are taking only power of 5 less than power of 2. Right after this class, trailing zeros, watch the class in the next 48 hours to all the enrolled students. Watch it, complete it, and move on to the next topic. By this next weekend, your entire number system revision should get over. Find the number of zeros at the end. Find the number of zeros at the end. Next one, find these already we did this kind of questions, factorial additions. Find the number of trailing zeros. Please add that keyword, sir. Otherwise, mathematically it will be incorrect. So, n is 30 factorial plus 20 factorial plus 10 factorial plus 10 factorial. So, this can be written as 30 factorial plus 10 factorial. 30 into 29 into 28 into and so on up to 20 into 19 and so on up to 10 and so on up to 1 plus 20 into 19 into 18 and so on up to 1, 10 and so on up to 1 plus 10 factorial. Here it is 10 factorial, here it is 10 factorial. So 10 factorial if I take common, 30, 29 and so on, plus 20 into 19 into 18 and so on, plus 1, plus 1. Already we did this model in our class. This is a multiple of 5. This is a multiple of 5, plus 1. The number is not divisible by 5. Number, it is not divisible by 5. Number inside, it is not divisible by 5. 10 factorial. How what factorial? It will be the highest power of 5. So answer will be 2. Very, very easy question. We did the similar question for 200 factorial plus 100 factorial. That is the beauty about the class. If you start listening to the class from the fundamentals, it will be very easy. Another fundamentals question, sir. Find the number of zeros at the end. Zeros at the end is highest power of. It is the highest power of 2 and 5. Highest power of 2 and 5. So we should get highest power of 2 and 5. Now these, let me take common. So it is 8 power 121. This will be 8 square minus 8 minus 1. This will be 3 power 221 common. This will be 3 square minus 3 minus 1. So 8 power 121. 64 minus 9. 64 minus 9. It is 57. 3 power 221. 3 power 221. 9 minus 3. 6. 6 minus 1. 5. 6 minus 1. 5. 6 minus 1. 5. Now see here. Listen carefully. Here 1 5 it is there. I can take 1 2 from here. Answer is 1. Answer is 1. Take 8 power 121 common. 8 square minus 8 minus 1. 64 minus 8, 56. Sorry, 64 minus 8. It is 56. It is 55. Sorry, I made a mistake. These calculation mistakes, please try to avoid it. Calculation mistakes, don't try to do it, sir. I just made a calculation mistake. These 8 power 121, 64 minus 8, 56, 56 minus 1, 55. It is 3 power 221, 9 minus 3, 6, 6 minus 1, 5. Here 1, 5 it is there, here 1, 5 it is there. Answer is 2. Answer for this question is 2. Is the idea clear? Very, very easy question. Next one. How many zeros will be there at the end of the expression? For a factorial, number of zeros is dependent on the power of 5. So it is 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 5. It is 5 power 9 into K1 divided by, this will be 5 2s are 10. 5 square into K2, 9 minus 2. Answer for this question will be 7. Answer for this question will be 7. Idea it is clear, right? For factorial problems, number of zeros at the end is the highest power of 5. For simple problems, let us not waste too much of time. Another exam model question. Find the number of zeros at the end. When we multiply first 50 prime numbers, when you multiply first 50 prime numbers 2 into 3 into 5 and so on, 2 into 3 into 5 and so on, whether it is first 50 prime numbers or 100 prime numbers or 1000 prime numbers, 2 into 5, 10. There will be only 1 0 at the end. The prime number which is even is 2. So single power of 2 it is there. Multiplied by single power of 5. Single power of 5. Here the single power of 5. Rest all the numbers are divisible by, there are no numbers which are divisible by 5 and a prime number, right? I hope it is clear. There are no even numbers other than 2 which are prime numbers, 2 into 5. So only 1 0 will be there. Next one, another question, sir. This kind of questions you have to be very, very careful and solve it very slowly. Next it is 2 square into, let me write down, 5 power 4 into 4 square into 10 power 8 into 6 power 10 into 5 power 12 into 8 power 14 into 20 power 16 into 10 power 8 into 25 power 20. What is the number of trailing zeros? First we will do it with 5. Here 5 power 4. So here 5 power 4 we got 5 power 4. Here 10 power 8. That means another 5 power 8 we can get. Here it is 5 power 12. Here it is 20 power 16. It is 5 power 16. 10 is 5 into 2 power 8. 5 power 8. Here it is 25. 5 square power 20. That means totally how many number, highest power of 5? 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 16, 40. 40 plus 8, 48. 48 plus 40. 48 plus 40, 88. Let me check it out whether I missed out anything. Now see here, sir. Here I got 5 square, so it is 40. Here it is 8. Here it is 16. Here it is 12. Here it is 8. Here it is 4. So 4 plus 8, 12, 24, 40, 48, 88. 88 it is not there. So let me check it out with 2. 2 square into 4 square. 4 square is 16, which is 2 power 4. 6 is 2 power 10. 8 is 2 power 3 power 14. 3 14s are 42. Next it is 20. 20 it is 2 square. It is 2 power 32. 10 it is 2 into 5. 5 8s are 40. 25. So it is over. Here it is 2 into 5 power 8. So here it is 2 power 8. 2 square into 5. 2 square it is 32. 18th is a very good question. 10 power 4. 10 power 4 power 50. It is 10 power 200. 10 square power 30. 10 power 60. It is 10 power 260. Number of trailing zeros. It is dependent on the highest power of 10. So answer will be 260. Answer will be 260. Very, very easy question. I will solve this question, sir. Very, very easy question. Now see here. I will write down the question like this. From 1 factorial till 5 factorial. Till 5 factorial. First I will write like this. Number of zeros. Next is total number of trailing zeros. Total number of trailing zeros. From 1 factorial till 4 factorial. Is there any 5? No. So 0. Listen carefully, sir. Next, already we discussed. From 5 factorial till 9 factorial. We discussed the number of zeros will be same. So each one will have 1 0 at the end. Like that from 5 factorial till 9 factorial. 5 factorial, 6 factorial, 7 factorial, 8 factorial, 9 factorial. Total number will be 5 into 1. There will be 5 zeros. Why it is 5 zeros? 5 factorial, 6 factorial, 7 factorial, 8 factorial, 9 factorial. Here there is 1 power, here there is 1 power, 1 power, 1 power, 1 power. So it is 5 power 5, 5 zeros. Listen carefully. From 10 factorial till 14 factorial. 5 into 2, 2, 5, 5 again, 1 zeros are there. 1 into 5. Again it is 5. 15 factorial till 19 factorial. Again, 5 power of 5. All are multiples of 5, only ones. Again 1 into 5. It is 5. It is 20 factorial till 24 factorial. 20 factorial. 20 factorial. 20 factorial. Now if you see here, sir, I made here 10 factorial. There are 2 zeros are there at the end. 2 into 5. I hope 2 zeros. Why it is? 5 2s are 10. Here also 5 3s are 15. Right? 15 factorial to 19 factorial. It is 3 into 5. 5 4s are 20. 4. Like that 5 numbers are there. 4 into 5. It is, let me write down it as again. I hope the idea it is clear, right? From 5 factorial, there is 1 factorial till 9. From 10 factorial, what is the number of trailing zeros from 10 factorial? 2. Like that, 2 I will get for 10 to 14. Total 5 are there. So 2 into 5, it is 10. Here it is 3 into 5, it is 15. Here it is 4 into 5, it is 20. Are you all with me? Now, if you see here, from 25 factorial till 29 factorial, 25 factorial, how many zeros are there at the end? 5 plus 1, it is 6. Like that, 5 numbers are there. 6 5s are 30. From 30 factorial till 34 factorial, 30, how many zeros are there? 5 6s are, 5 1s are. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 5s are 35. Are you all with me? Next one, 35 factorial till 39 factorial. 35 it is. 5 7s are, 5 1s are. 8 into 5. 8 into 5. 40. I will tell you an optimal method. 40 factorial till 44 factorial. 9 into 5. 45 factorial. It is 10 5s are there. 5 9s are, 5 1s are. So answer is 1 into 5, 2 into 5, 3 into 5, 4 into 5, then 6 into 5, 7 into 5, 8 into 5, and then 9 into 5. So answer is 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 30 plus 35 plus 40 plus 45 plus 10. This is the total answer. I hope it is clear. Very, very good question. I will spend another 10 minutes on these various models of this question. From 1 factorial to 4 factorial, there are no 5. So 0. Total number, it is 4. 4 into 0, 0. 5 factorial contains 1 power of 5. From 5 factorial till the next multiple of 5, the number of zeros at the end will be 1. 5 factorial, 6 factorial, 7 factorial, 8 factorial, 9. So 5. 5 into 1, 5. 10 factorial, there are 2 zeros. From 10 factorial till 4 factorial, 2 into 5, 10. So we have to go till 5, 10, 15, 20. 25, there is a jump. So 20 factorial contains 4 zeros at the end, but 25 factorial contains 6 zeros at the end. From 4 zeros to 6 zeros, there is a jump. I hope the idea it is clear. So answer is directly add these values. You can further optimize this one. Sample questions, sir. Sample questions so that you can do orally, sir. Suppose if the question is 25 factorial till 50 factorial, he is asking trailing zeros. How many zeros are there at the end for this product? What is the product? 25 factorial into 26 factorial and so on till 50 factorial. Listen carefully, sir. First we will do this. 25 factorial till 29 factorial. Number of trailing zeros will be same. For 25, how many it is? 5 5s are, 5 1s are. 5 plus 1, it is 6. 6 into 5, it is 30. Then what is the next multiple of 25? 5 power 1 is 5. 5 square is 25. Then it is 5 cube is 125. Then it will be in serial order. 30 factorial till 34 factorial. Next number I will get 7 into 5. You can cross check. 5 6 are, 5 1s are. 6 plus 1, 7. Next for 35 factorial till 39 factorial. Next number I will get 8 into 5. I hope you understood the idea. From 40 factorial till 44. Next number I will get, because there are no another multiples of 25 that are coming. 45 factorial till 49 factorial. 10 into 5. 50 factorial. 50, how many zeros are there? 5 10s are, 5 2s are. It is 12. So 6 into 5, 7 into 5. It is coming sequentially. Unless and until next power of 5 comes, it will come sequentially. It will come sequentially. These 30, these 35, these 40, these 45, these 50, and it is 12. I hope the idea it is clear. 65, 105, 150, 200. So the number of trailing zeros for the product of these factorials, it is 212 factorial. 212 factorial. Very, very good question. Whenever you encounter the powers of 5 square, 5 cube, be very, very careful. 25, it is 6 zeros. From 25 factorial till 29 factorial, 6 zeros will be there. So 6 into 5, 30 zeros I will get. Here 6 zeros, 6 zeros, 6 zeros. 6 into 5, 30. 7 into 5, 30. One more question we will solve so that you will understand the nature. Very, very good problems we are going to solve, sir. Suppose if the question is, let me solve 120 factorial till 145 factorial product. 120 factorial into 121 factorial and so on till 145 factorial trailing zeros. 120 factorial into 121 factorial and so on up to 145 factorial trailing zeros. So from the starting number, which is a multiple of 5, till the 124 factorial, number of zeros will be same. 125 to 129 factorial, 130 factorial to 134 factorial, 134 factorial to 139 factorial, 140 factorial to 144 factorial. Here it is 144 5 factorial. Total number of trailing zeros. Total number of trailing zeros. Listen carefully, sir. Total number of trailing zeros. 120 to 124. First we will do for 120. It is same. 5 24s are 120. 5 4s are 20. 24 plus 4, 28. 28, I got it for 5 numbers. But 125, it is a power of 5. 125 is 5 cube. So the number, it will not be in sequential order. 5 25s are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are, 25. Here I got 5 24s are, 5 4s are, 5 25s are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are. 31 I got. So it is 31 into 5. Why there is extra 3? Because 125 is 5 cube. Again, 130. It will be next number only. 32 into 5. Why it is 32? 5 26 are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are. You can directly write. These 33 into 5. Here it is 34 into 5. Why 5? From 140 factorial till 144 factorial. 145. This will be 5 29s are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are. Here it is 35. Add all the values, you will get the answer. Add all the values, you will get the answer. I hope the idea it is clear. How to find out the number of trailing zeros if the factorials are multiplied? Keep an eye on. Keep an eye on 5 power x factorials. Keep an eye on 5 power x factorials. Whether it could be 25 factorial or 125 factorial or 625 factorial and so on. Keep an eye on all these numbers. There will be a jump. There will be a jump. Even for 25 factorial, there is a jump of +2. Why? Because 25 is 5 square. 25 is 5 square. 125 it is 5 power 4. 125 it is 5 power 4. One more example I will do it. 620 factorial into 621 factorial and so on up to 630 factorial. 630 factorial. Number of trailing zeros at the end. Number of trailing zeros at the end. 620 factorial into 621 factorial and so on up to 630 factorial. I am trying to tell you the concept of 5 power k factorial. So 620 factorial till 624 factorial. One number will be there. Let me see what will happen for 625 factorial till 629 factorial and it is 630 factorial. These we are determining the number of trailing zeros. We are determining the number of trailing zeros. Only for the multiple of 5 take it and do into 5. That's all. Number of trailing zeros. Number of trailing zeros. Listen carefully, sir. 620. How many I will get? 5 12s are 60. 5 4s are 5. 2s are 10. 5 4s are 5 4s are 20. So how many I got? 24 plus 4, 28. 124 plus 28. 152 zeros. The same number will be there from 620 to 624 factorial. Let me see what is happening for 625 factorial. 625 is 5 125s are, 5 25s are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are. So this will be 125 plus 31, 156. Now you understood it. 625 is 5 power 4. 5 power 4. So extra 4 increase it will be there. 156 into 5. So this will be 157. I hope you understood. From 25 factorial, there is an increase of 2. From 125 factorial, there is an increase of 3. From 625 factorial, there is an increase of 4. Only determine this. All these numbers will have same number of zeros at the end. Same number of zeros at the end. 625, there is a jump of 4. Idea clear? Next one. This is a very easy question. Next one. Find the number of zeros at the end. Already we did this model. Powers are same. So this will become 1 into 2 into 3 till 32 power 5. So this will be 32 factorial power 5. So 32 factorial, it will be 5 6 are 5 1s are. So 5 power 7 into k power 5. A power m power n. 7 5s are 35. Answer for this question is 35. Answer for this question is 35. Answer for this question is 35. I hope the idea it is clear. Similar question we did it. 1 cube into 2 power 4 into 3 power 5 into 4 power 6 and so on up to 25 power 27 into 26 power 28. Every second term is a multiple of 2. Every fifth term is a multiple of 5. So power of 5 is less than power of 2. Power of 5 is less than power of 2. Power of 5 is less than power of 2. So only attack the powers of 5. 5 power 7. There is an increase of 2. Again there is an increase of 2 to the power. 15 power 17. Next it will be 20 power 22. Next it will be 25 power 27. Only get the answer from these numbers. Every fifth term is a power of 5. Every second term is a power of 2. So power of 5 will be less than power of 2. So how much it will be? Here I will get 2 into 27. 2 into 27. Here it will be 5 into 4 power 22. Oh, these powers are raising, right? 5 into 3 power 17. 5 into 2 power 12. And 5 power 7. So the number of 5s will be 7 plus 12 plus 17 plus 22 plus 2 into 27. This is the number of 5s at the end. 54 plus 22, 39, 51, 58. 58. 54 plus 58. Now what is he asking? He is asking why all the answer options are 20, 22. No, this will be 24 power 26. 24 power 26 only. 2 cube into 3 power 26. I got 78. So definitely answer options all are incorrect. Answer options. I hope the approach is clear. Approach is clear. Once you do the approach, any calculation mistake is there, correct it. If this kind of 20 means, see here, 25 power 27 only I am getting 5 power 54. Where is the question of 20, 22, 24, 26? It cannot be. Answer, this will be the answer. All the trailing zeros questions. All the trailing zeros questions. Now see here. Find the number of zeros at the end of 378 factorial. I will do it with 375. It will be easy. 5 17s are, 5 15s are, 5 3s are. Answer is 93. Why? Because 375 factorial till 379 factorial, number of zeros, trailing zeros will be the same. Number of trailing zeros, it will be the same. Number of trailing zeros, it will be the same. This is an easy question. Let us not waste too much time. Find the number of zeros for 1000 factorial. 5 200s are, 5 40s are, 5 8s are, 5 1s are. Answer is 249. Answer is 249. I hope it is clear. Next one. Already we did this kind of questions. I think these options are only kept here, sir. 20, 22, 24, 25. Same options. The other question answer options are kept here, sir. I hope you understood the mistake. Next one. Find the number of zeros. Again, the same answer options are kept. Right? It's a typist mistake. No trailing zeros. These are all odd numbers. Odd numbers will not, product will never give a power of 2. Answer is no trailing zeros. This question already we did it. Similar question. Now these, see here, sir. 3 power 3, 4 power 4, 5 power 5, 49 power 49. So these 3 power 3, 4 power 4, 6, 5 power 5 and 6 power 6, 7 power 7, 10 power 10 and so on up to 49 power 49. Every second term is a power of 2. Every fifth term starting from 5 power 5, it is a power of 5. So power of 5 is less than power of 2. Power of 5 is less than power of 2. So this will be 5 power 5, 10 power 10, 15 power 15, 20 power 20, 25 power 25, 30 power 30, 35 power 35, 40 power 40, 45 power 45, 45 power 45. Only thing whether it is 5 square factorial, at that time be careful, sir. So how many it will be? 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20. 25 is 5 square. 2 into 25. Plus 30 plus 35 plus 40. It is plus 45. Whatever the answer that you get it, that itself will be the answer. That itself will be the answer. 27th question. 27th. These already we did this question. It is 1 factorial. So power of 5 only I am taking. 5 power 5 factorial into 10 power 10 factorial. Answer is 5 factorial plus 10 factorial. Typist, I'll speak to typist. They have done lot of repeated questions and some calculation mistakes. Now 3200 plus 40,000. So this will be, how many zeros will be there? These 47,000. Now, or probably what you can do is, can you take 10 square common? This will be 32 plus 10 square. This will be 400. This will be 320. This will be 150. This will be 150. All are multiples of 10 with the unit digit 2. So answer is highest power of 2 will be more than the highest power of 5. Here again 20 into 40 into 7,600 into 600. Here there are 3 zeros at the end, 2 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 zeros at the end. 6, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Very, very easy question. But some of them are asked in examination. 100 factorial into 200 factorial. Already we did this question. 100 factorial into 200 factorial. These 5 power 24. It will be these 200. 5 40s are, 5 8s are, 5 1s are. 5 power 49 into K1. Answer is 73. Answer is 73. Now, see here, sir. These are all some of the questions which came in previous year management entrance exam. So, I listed out all the possible question. 2 power 2222 into 5 power 555. This can be written as 2 power 222 into 5 power 222 into 5 power 333. 10 power 222. The number of zeros at the end, it will be 222. It will be 222. Now, these already 1. This question already we discussed. The largest number is highest than the smallest number. So, this will be how many zeros? 9 plus 7, 16, 21, 24, 25. These 2 power 25. 6, 10, 18, 28. 5 power 28. So, the least will be 25. 2 into 5 power 25 into 5 power 3 into k. Answer will be 25. Till here clear, right? So this will be same model we did it. 3 power 121 if I take 3 square minus 3 minus 1. It is 2 power 121, sir. 2 power 119 if I take. 119 if I take 2 square minus 2 minus 1. So 3 power 121. 9 minus 3, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 2 power 119. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. So 1 is the power. 1 is the power. I hope till here it is clear.